Hey, if you cannot turn on your Redmi Watch 4, there's probably one problem, that your device is completely out of the battery. So it works the same with the smartphones. When your smartphone is completely out of the battery, you cannot even turn it on for like 1 second. So all you have to do is just to plug the charger right here and charge this device for like 20 or even 30 minutes. And after this, you will have to just click and hold on this button until the Mi logo pops on the screen, and you have to release this button and simply wait until it will be turned on. If it doesn't help you, I can recommend you to use the warranty of this device, because there's definitely something wrong with the device. If the battery is actually charged and you cannot turn it on, there's like definitely a problem with your watch. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.